Alright, update on Kyber network. So the bulls are taking over this right now. You can see, I talked about this in my last video. We have this asymmetrical triangle forming with this uptrending level of support, this top right up here at $4.35, and we've been stuck in this for the past, well, since the 8th of April. We've been building momentum, consolidating, and now we've just fired back above the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, and we're pushing above the top of this asymmetrical triangle. And if we zoom out, you can also see this, the top of this asymmetrical triangle nicely lines up with our previous all-time high for Kyber network. So I don't need to overcomplicate this video. The chart looks absolutely amazing right now. We're having a huge breakout of the all-time high. If we look at the daily squeeze momentum, I mean, this is unruly. I don't think we've ever seen, no we haven't, we've never seen bullish momentum step in like this for KNC on the squeeze mom, so that is very nice. A couple of days ago, a week or so ago, we put in a higher low on the money flow indicator. We keep on putting in higher lows, which is very good. And like I said, if we come down to the lower time frames, I want to show you what happened the last time the bulls lost momentum, and I'll build up to what's happening right now. So if we look at the 4-hourly squeeze mom, look at what happened the last time bulls lost momentum. The price landslided all the way down to 357, and we're building higher lows, so do bear that in mind. This is the 4-hour. The last time the bears lost control, so we're looking at momentum shifts. This is what I'm focusing on. The last time we had a loss of momentum on the green squeeze mom, we landslided for a couple of days or so. What happened when the bulls lost momentum here, when we were around the bottom at 370, and the bears started taking over momentum? Well, the bears carried this from where the bulls lost momentum up here at $3.99 and carried it all the way down to 365. So these momentum shifts do carry a decent amount of weight. The last time the bulls had a momentum shift was after we bottomed around here, and it fired just as we started peaking above these 4-hourly EMA ribbons. So if we see how much of a growth this was, the last momentum shift we had was right here on this EMA. And we proceeded to push up another 23%, and if you want to kind of cherry pick it as we chopped and went up, you can see we went up another 26%. What happened once the bulls lost momentum again? We went from 470 all the way down to 390, so that was a 15% rally. And now you're seeing that the bears are losing momentum of this as we're breaking out of the all-time high. So we're having a momentum shift in the favor of the bulls. We still have a ways to go to the downside for the bears, which is great because it means the bulls can fully step in the next week or so, and then we could see something like this. Let me change the color of this. This is super ugly. But you could see, you know, we'd carry up enough momentum to take out these local highs before we even reset the squeeze mom, and then at which point, if the bulls stepped in, you could see a massive level of price discovery. I'm just squiggling on the chart at this point. Let me make that back blue. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to complicate this video, draw 1,000,001 micro fibs. You can kind of see though, you know, we are pushing above every single fib level you could possibly want to be pushing above in the short term. 4-hourly, bears are losing control and bulls are coming into control. On the hourly, you can see while the bulls are starting to lose control in the last couple of hours, on the hourly it really kind of just means they're resting, in my opinion, and we have just fired 8-hourly long. So I do believe this is going to carry us some nice momentum as we have just broken out of the previous all-time high. Now we can head up to you know, our more recent all-time high, the local high up here at basically $5. So I think a breakout will be coming soon. Well, we've already had it, so I think we're going to see continuation coming soon, rather. And you can see a further 15% rally until we do come up to the 1.618 fib target. That is a move up to $5. That is a 15% increase. To the 2.618 fib, 35% increase, leading us up to $6. And then if we come over to a more macro scale, this would be, you know, the first major region that I think would come into, you know, fruition. And I think price is going to be magnetized to this Considering how long we've been in a correction for KNC, considering how we've just broken above the previous all-time high, we're building support, we're building momentum, consolidating. I think this 1.618 is going to be on the table very soon. So keep your eyes out for that. That is a 45% increase up to $6.38. If I was in a trade on this, that would personally be where I'd be looking to take a little bit of profit. If you're a long-term holder, obviously that's a different story. Best of luck to you. That's all I've got for you today for KNC. We're looking great. Best of luck to all of you. Not financial advice. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.